In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up a Monday.com board. Backing up your board is a simple habit that can save you a lot of time and stress later. Whether you want an extra copy of important project data, a record for reporting, or just peace of mind, exporting your board is a quick and practical way to keep your information safe and accessible. To begin, open the Monday.com board that you want to back up. Make sure you're on the correct board before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple projects or workspaces. Taking a moment to confirm this now helps prevent downloading the wrong data and having to repeat the process. Once the board is open, look for the board menu. This menu gives you access to additional board options, including exporting tools. Click the board menu to open it, then look for the export option. Depending on your setup, you may see export or export to Excel. Select the export option that appears for your board. After that, start the download of the exported file. In most cases, the file will download automatically to your computer's default downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location you can easily find. It's also a good idea to keep the file name clear and organized, especially if you plan to create backups regularly. Once the exported file has been downloaded, save it in a secure folder or in a cloud storage location. This is important because a backup is only useful if you can find it later and if it's stored somewhere reliable. If the board contains sensitive business information, make sure the location you choose is protected and accessible only to the right people. If you need updated backups over time, repeat the export regularly. A single backup captures your board at one point in time. So if your data changes often, regular exports help you maintain a more current record. You can build this into your weekly or monthly routine, depending on how frequently the board is updated. Finally, open the exported file to confirm that the board data was saved correctly. This last check is easy to skip, but it's very important. Make sure the file opens properly and that the information inside matches what you expected to export from the board, and that's it. By following this process consistently, you can keep reliable backups of your Monday.com boards and make sure your important project data is preserved when you need it.